Welcome, everyone. My name is Uchab, and this is a NextGen Coding Company presentation. We're dedicated to empowering business leaders and decision makers like you with cutting-edge software and insights from the tech world. NextGen is a 100% USA-based software development company based out of Raleigh, North Carolina, focused on AI, machine learning, blockchain, automation, and computer vision. We have a full staff of engineers, designers, and testers supporting full end-to-end software development services. Our motto is simple: we code the future. Please like, follow, subscribe, and reach out if you have any questions or a software project we can help bring to life. Today, we're diving into a core part of modern programming that drives innovation across industries: Python. What is Python? Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language known for its readability, simplicity, and power. Whether you're building a web app, analyzing data, creating AI models, or automating tasks, Python is often the go-to language. Think of it like a universal remote that can control almost any device. Except in this case, it can control web development, data science, machine learning, automation, and more. Today's agenda: a simple analogy to understand Python's versatility, why Python matters to your business, a basic workflow showing where Python fits in software development, a deeper look at Python's use in AI, automation, and data, real-world examples across industries. Let's start with a simple analogy. Imagine you're in a kitchen. Some languages are like specialized tools: a blender, a toaster, or a mixer. Python is more like a chef's knife. It may look simple, but in the right hands it can do just about anything: slice, dice, chop, and even open a bottle. That's Python: powerful, multi-purpose, and elegant. Now let's walk through a simple workflow. A developer writes a Python source file with Dopey extension. The Python interpreter reads and compiles the code into bytecode. That bytecode is sent to the Python virtual machine. The PVM executes instructions line by line and displays the result. Now let's go deeper. A developer writes Python code, which is first read and compiled into bytecode by the Python interpreter. That bytecode is passed to the Python virtual machine PVM, which executes each instruction line by line. This efficient workflow, from writing code to real-time output, lets the developer iterate quickly and build fast. With access to thousands of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Flask, and Selenium, the developer can handle everything from automating tasks to training AI models or building full web applications, all within Python's powerful ecosystem. It's also platform independent, works well in cloud environments, and has one of the most supportive communities in tech. That's why it's the top language taught in universities and heavily used by companies like Google, Netflix, NASA, and Facebook. Why does this matter to your business? Python helps with rapid prototyping and MVP launches, data analysis and dashboards, artificial intelligence, machine learning development and automation, backend scripting and cloud integrations, reducing time to market with fewer lines of code. Industries that rely on Python every day include finance, for data modeling, forecasting, and trading algorithms; healthcare, for medical data analysis, diagnostics, and imaging AI; e-commerce, for product recommendations and customer behavior tracking; SaaS, for backend logic, automation, and deployment pipelines; education and research, for simulation, statistical analysis, and publishing. Pro tip: Python is beginner-friendly, but powerful enough for experts. Use it to automate tedious processes or to build your AI-powered next-gen product. Start small, iterate fast. To recap, Python is the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's clean, reliable, and built for speed and scale. From powering machine learning models to automating your internal tools, it adapts to your needs, whether you're a startup or an enterprise. At NextGen, we build custom Python-based solutions tailored to your business. Whether you're building an MVP, automating operations, or integrating AI, our team will turn your vision into code. Visit nextgencodingcompany.com or email us at admin@nextgencodingcompany.com to get started. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-digest tech breakdowns from the NextGen team.